లోపల పెట్టింది హలో స్టార్ట్ అయింది కృష్ణ Yeah, good evening all of you. Today's topic is straight lines 3. So third class, this is third session on straight lines 3. Yeah, good evening everyone. So let us see. Yeah. Yeah, this is about Spark faculty. Okay. So daily live sessions, in session doubt clarification, free material in our app. Then next tips and tricks, right? Then PYQs. Schedules. Yeah, coupon code. Session plan and weightage. So today we are discussing about a straight lines topic, right? This is third session on straight lines. And the first topic is angle between two straight lines. Yeah, what is the angle between two straight lines? How do we get the angle between two straight lines? Let us take so this is first straight line and this is second straight line. So let us take the angle between two straight lines is theta. This is line L. Let us take line L1 and it is line L2. If we take this angle as theta, the next angle will be 180 minus theta, right? and then this is again theta, then this could be again 180 minus theta. Okay now, so now we have to calculate what is theta. If theta is acute, then 180 minus theta will be obtuse. Alright. Now let us see how to calculate these angles. So L1 has a slope m1 and L2 has a slope m2. So here tan theta is equals to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. This is the formula to calculate the angle between two straight lines L1 and L2. If it is theta, then tan theta is equals to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Clear? Suppose we have the questions like x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0 and 2x minus y plus 7 is equals to 0. We need to calculate the angle between these two straight lines. How do we get that angle? Okay. So here x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Then what is the slope of this line? Y is equals to minus x by 2 and plus 3 by 2. Y is equals to minus x by 2 and plus 3 by 2. And here y is equals to 2x plus 7. So for first line, what is the slope? Slope m1 equal to minus 1 by 2. And for the second line, what is the slope? m2 is equals to 2. Then let us take the angle between these two straight lines is theta. Then we can take tan theta is equals to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. So m1, what is m1? Minus 1 by 2 minus 2 divided by 1 plus minus 1 by 2 times minus 2. So that what do you get? Minus 5 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 plus 1. Yeah, 1 plus 1. So that what we are getting here? Minus 5 divided by 4 modulus. Modulus of minus 5 by 4 can be written as 5 by 4. So tan theta is equals to 5 by 4. Then theta is equals to tan inverse of 5 by 4. Okay. Still connecting now. Okay. Next. Condition for parallel and perpendicular lines. So just now we have calculated angle between the two lines. Now what is the condition for parallel and perpendicular lines? If the lines are parallel, suppose there is a line L1 and a line L2. If these two lines are parallel, if L1 is parallel to L2, then what happens? M1 equal to M2 will get. Why? Because if lines are parallel, angle between them is 0. So tan 0 degrees equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So 0 equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So that we can get m1 minus m2 is equals to 0. This implies m1 is equals to m2. This implies m1 is equals to m2, right? And next one more. Suppose We have a lines like a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Now the slope of this line will be minus a1 by b1 and the slope of this line will be minus a2 by b2, and we have m1 is equals to m2, so that minus a1 divided by b1 equal to minus a2 divided by b2, minus and minus gets cancelled, so that we are getting a1 b2 is equals to a2 b1. That is nothing but a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is equals to 0. This is the condition when the two given lines are parallel to each other. Okay, first one is their slopes equal, and in terms of a1 and a1 a2 b1 b a1 a2 b1 b2, we can get like this. Understood? And one more point, for example, two straight lines can differ with two parallel lines can differ with only constants. Means ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equals to 0. If any two lines are in this form, directly we can say they are parallel to each other. They are parallel to each other. Alright. And next, perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. If L1 is perpendicular to L2, if L1 is perpendicular to L2, what happens? Angle between that lines, angle between the two straight lines will become 90. So tan 90 is equals to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So the denominator will be 0, 1 plus m1 m2, which is equals to 0. This implies m1 times n2 will be minus 1. So product of their slopes is equals to minus 1. And if you consider the lines like a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, then what is m1? Minus a1 by b1 into minus a2 by b2 equal to minus 1. So a1 a2 by b1 b2, which is equals to minus 1. So that a1 a2 equal to minus b1 b2, that implies a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equals to 0. a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equals to 0. Right, once check it if you have any doubt. Still showing same. I don't know what happened. Okay, so condition for parallel and perpendicular lines. What is the condition? m1 equal to m2 for parallel lines and m1 times m2 is equals to minus 1 for perpendicular lines. Right, let us see equation of a line parallel to given line. Equation of a line parallel to given line. Suppose one of the line is given like ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Okay, now we have to calculate a line which is parallel to this. So just now I have told you parallel lines are differ with only constant. So what do you get here? Ax plus by plus some k equal to 0. Understood? Next, or else ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is given, and we need a line which is passing through the point x1 y1 and is parallel to ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. What is the slope of this line? Minus a by b. This is the slope. And what is the point x1 y1? And this is m1. Required line slope also same as minus a by b, because both the lines are parallel lines. So y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So what do you get? Y minus y1 is equals to m. What is m here? Minus a by b into x minus x1. So send b here. b times y minus y1 is equals to a minus a times x minus x1. So finally a times x minus x1 plus b times y minus y1, which is equals to 0. A times x minus x1 plus b times y minus y1, which is equals to 0. This is the line which is parallel to the given line and passing through the point x1 and y1. Or else we can write directly like this. In any way we can solve it. This is directly. To get k value, we have to substitute that x1 y1 into the line. If you substitute x1 y1, ax1 plus by1, this will be equal to k value. This is k. Right? Let us see one example. For example, we have a line 2x plus 3y minus 2 is equals to 0, and whereas the point is 2 comma 3, we need to calculate a line which is passing through 2 comma 3 and parallel to 2x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0. So what do you write? The formula is a times x minus x1 plus b times y minus y1 equal to 0. So a times x1, a times x minus x1 2 plus b times y minus y1 is 3, which is equals to 0. A value is 2, 2 times x minus 2 plus b value is 3, 3 times y minus 3, which is equals to 0. Simplify, what do you get? 2x minus 4 plus 3y minus 9, which is equals to 0. So 2x plus 3y minus 13 is equals to 0. Observe clearly. Observe clearly. 2x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 13 equal to 0. So both the lines differs with only constant. Both the lines differs with only constant. We can do with that process also. What is that process? Differs with only constant. 2x plus 3y plus k is equals to 0. And it is passing through the point 2x1 y1 plus 3y1 plus k is equals to 0. So that 2 times x1 is 2 plus 3 times y1 is 3 plus k is equals to 0. So that k is equals to minus 13. Like this also we can do. Okay. Equation of a line perpendicular to the given line. This is also same, sir. Equation of a line, for example, ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is given. And then the slope of this line m1 is equals to minus a by b, and the required slope is b by a, because m1 times m2 must be minus 1. That is the reason here m2 will be minus plus b by a, and the line is passing through the point x1 and y1, so that y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1. So here y minus y1, which is equals to m. What is m? B by a into x minus x1. So send a that side. A into y minus y1 is equals to b into x minus x1. Okay, so that a times y minus y1 minus b times x minus x1, which is equals to 0. This is the equation of a line which is perpendicular to the given line. Or else directly, if you want to write ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 given line, then bx minus ay plus k is equals to 0. This is the line which is perpendicular to the given line. And to get k value, bx1 minus ay1 equal to k. This is k value. Right? Let us see the example. Example is x minus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0. Passing through the point 1 comma minus 2. So what is the slope first? M1 is equals to, first we can write the slope, M1 is equals to 1 by 2. Then M2 will be equal to minus 2. Then equation will be y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus of minus 2, that is y plus 2, is equals to m is minus 2 into x minus x1, that is 1. So y plus 2 is equals to minus 2x plus 2. Then 2x plus y equal to 0. 2x plus y is equals to 0. If you want to do it in this method, bx minus ay plus k is equals to 0. What is b value? B value minus 2 minus 2x, and a value 1y, plus k is equals to 0. To get k value, substitute here. Minus 2, what are you getting? Minus 2 and plus 2 plus k equal to 0. So we are getting k equal to 0. So finally, what is the equation? Minus 2x minus y plus 0 equal to 0. That is 2x plus y is equals to 0. In any case, we can get the answer as 2x plus y is equals to 0. We can do like this. Clear? Equation of a line parallel to the given line, equation of a line perpendicular to the given line. Clear? Next, important points with respect to a triangle. So here, important points with respect to a triangle means already we have learned about triangles, right? We know about triangles, and in each triangle means in any triangle, if we want to talk about medians, we can draw three medians. In any triangle, we can draw three medians, and that medians can pass through a single point. That means all the medians are concurrent. All the medians are concurrent. The point of concurrency of medians. The point of concurrency of medians. The point of concurrency of medians. The point of concurrency of medians is called centroid. The point of concurrency of medians is called a centroid. Here centroid is denoted by small g. And centroid divides each median, and centroid divides each median in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, suppose this is a triangle, then this is median, AD is the median, here it is centroid, it divides it in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, right sir. And here in this straight lines topic, why to discuss this centroid? Because we can get the equation of a median by taking midpoint of BC. You can just calculate the midpoint of BC, and already here vertex A is there. If you write a 2-point form, you can get the equation of a median. Mainly here we have to discuss what is equation of a median. Equation of a median is what? The equation of a line which is passes through these 2 points, vertex A and D, midpoint of BC. And if you want to calculate the coordinates of the centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3. In basic coordinate geometry you can learn this. Y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is centroid. Centroid G is equals to this one. Right? This is about centroid. Not only centroid, in the same way we can also have an orthocenter. We can also have an orthocenter. What does it mean, orthocenter? Orthocenter is the point of the concurrent point of altitudes. The point of concurrency of altitudes. Same definition in place of medians, altitudes. The point of concurrency of altitudes is called orthocenter. We can denote orthocenter with either O or H. Either O or